SolidWorks Mechanical Designer, How to Make Knurling in SolidWorks. Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design. In this SolidWorks tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through modeling a rectangular file with detailed knurling on both sides. Getting started. Sketching the file profile. Begin by selecting the top plane and start a new sketch. Draw half of the file's profile along the horizontal centerline. This speeds up the process and ensures symmetry. Add all necessary dimensions to fully define the sketch. Watch for the red arrows on screen highlighting each dimension as it's applied. With half the profile complete, use the Mirror Entities tool. Select the lines to mirror, then pick the horizontal centerline as the mirror axis. This gives you the full file outline. Creating the 3D body. Use the Boss Extrude feature to give the file its thickness. Set the depth to 0.25 inches. Next, add a bevel by sketching and cutting a 0.17-inch chamfer on the appropriate edge. Use the mirror tool if needed to apply it symmetrically. Apply a 0.05-inch fillet to the edges for a finished look. Adding knurling to the surface. Select the face where you want to add knurling and start a new sketch. Draw a line at a 60-degree angle 3 inches from the right edge. Create a new plane at 90 degrees to this line. On this plane, sketch a square profile, 0.06 by 0.06 inches. Use the extruded cut feature to remove material along this path, forming the first knurl groove. Apply a linear pattern to repeat this cut across the surface, setting the spacing to 0.075 inches. Mirror the pattern across the top plane to complete one direction of the knurl. Finishing the knurling on the other side. Add a plane between the two main faces of the file. Use this plane to repeat the knurling process on the opposite side, using a mirror tool so that both sides have the same knurling texture. Congratulations! You now have a detailed 3D model of a file with knurling on both sides. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more SolidWorks mechanical design tips in our upcoming videos.